What I have here is a list of students, 40 students in all. Let's say 3 of them leave your class, so you decide to take their names out. You select the entire rows for those students and delete them. What you immediately notice is that the numbering gets distorted, and that's not what you want. You can also encounter the same problem when you try to sort the data, example, by the name column. In this video, you'll learn how to use Excel's row function to create dynamic references so that your numbering stays sequential when you delete rows or even when you sort data in Excel. My name is Isaac and welcome back to my channel. We'll start off by exploring the row function. The row function in Excel returns the row number of the cell in which the formula is entered. The syntax is as follows. You enter the equal to sign, row, and then the bracket. With this formula, the reference is optional, and we know this because it's in square brackets. So typing that out in Excel equals row. So let's see what this gives us. It gives us a result of 3. Let's repeat the same here, close parenthesis, 4. Without specifying anything in the bracket, it's going to give us the row number of the current cell. In this case, we have 3, and then for the next one, we have 4. So what if we specify a cell? Row. In this case, let's pick, say, Skylar. So that is cell B4. What should this return? It should return a 4. We are going to use this function to dynamically create the numbering in column A. Let's delete all of this. So we do equals row. And here we have row number 2. But I want the number to start at 1. So in this case, we do row number 2 minus 1. We are offsetting the value. Applying the same principle, if we did, row equals this, and we wanted it to begin at 1, then we can do 5 minus 4, and that gives us a 1. When we drag down, you see the numbering is now sequential. Let's come back here. All we have to do is to either drag or we double click on the right corner of the highlighted cell to autofill, and that's it. Now let's select the 3 students, Skylar, Austin, Madison, delete, and now you see that the sequence is still intact, and now we have 37 students. If you're interested in learning more about Excel functions, feel free to leave a comment in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.